Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove followers on X on your phone. So, the ability to remove a follower on X without blocking them is available on the X website, but the option is typically not found directly in the X mobile application. So, I will show you how to do that using your website. So, open your preferred browsing system and go to pagex.com. Then you want to sign in to your X account, of course, and finally when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, go to your profile, and here find section with your followers, and at the top go to followers. Now from this list you need to find specific follower that you want to remove. That will redirect you to their profile, and find three-dot button. And finally, you want to tap button that says remove this follower. And of course, you have to confirm that action. So this person will be removed from your followers list and they will not be notified. So do not worry about that. And they will have to follow you once again if they want to see your public posts. So yeah, that's basically how you can remove follower on your X platform on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.